30 kVA solar system is completed. 22.5 kilowatts solar system, 30 kVA inverter. It's powering the station as we speak. These are the stations, the pumps. See, they are powered. There's no lights, so we only did 4 canopy light separations here, and 2 street lights. This is one, and then there's one over there. Then the pumps, there are 5 pumps, 3 for diesel. That's 3 for diesel, and 3 for PMS. Sorry, that's petrol. 1 for diesel, and then there's a kerosene one over here, also powered by solar. So this is the buildings. It's not on solar, so we just focused on the pump, the 5 pumps, and then the lights. So there's 2 street lights, okay? 2 street lights over here. The 2 street lights you see over there, those ones are also on solar. So at night this place can be fully on. It can't be dark. 30 kVA inverter, 22.5 kilowatt solar panels. See? Yeah, TV setup, and there's 1 electric motor, 2 pumps, 2 nozzles rather. So that's it.